this is not lethal at all.
Words that will be a relief for many, knowing the monkeypox threat doesn't rise to the level of COVID-19, which has led to over 6 million deaths worldwide.
Monkeypox, in most of the cases over the course of several weeks, it should resolve itself. You just have to make sure that you know when the symptom happens, you don't touch anyone, you go to the doctor and get treated properly.
Monkeypox isn't a novel illness like COVID. The virus was first discovered in a colony of monkeys in 1958. The CDC says the first human case was recorded in 1970, and it's not usually seen outside of Africa, where it's endemic in animals. But since May 14th, multiple people were diagnosed in several countries that don't normally have it, including the UK and Spain. On May 18th, a case was confirmed in a Massachusetts resident following travel to Canada. A day later, the New York City Health Department began investigating 2 cases. One was ruled out, but the other is being treated as positive. The smallpox vaccine does work for monkeypox, but experts don't believe the spread has yielded that need yet.
Unless the community is experiencing smallpox outbreak, is not readily available just for the complexity of giving the vaccine. But again, there is a way to prevent if the community start experiencing any outbreak.
Although the disease belongs to the same virus family as smallpox, the symptoms are milder, including fever, body ache, and a raised rash.
What we want to do now is make sure that clinicians are aware of this so that they can assist with any testing of rashes that they might feel are of concern.
Albany County Health Commissioner Dr. Whalen says there's no need for panic and that monkeypox isn't as readily transmissible as COVID, which is still prevalent in the community, along with an unusually high number of flu cases for this time of year.
Flu and COVID are things that I think are much more of a concern to the Albany public than monkeypox at this time. And I would encourage people to continue the behaviors we've been talking about for the last 2.5 years, including vaccination.
Juliana Bruno, News 10, ABC.